Hi, this is Jim at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got a fresh trade in. It's a 2021 Yamaha AR250. Real good shape. Couple decided to trade it in on a tri-tune, so this one is available. All detailed, clean. Real good shape. Ample seating here. This does have the water sport tower. Integrated bimini top. Got a place for a portable head. Bow seating. Anchor storage locker in the front. Cup holders, speakers. This does have a custom full cover, 2 pieces, sunbrella canvas. If you're interested in this Yamaha AR250, give me a call at 704-997-2168. Again, Jim at MarineMax Lake Norman.